Man, this YouTube channel is so good. They should post more videos. Last video? 2 months ago? We gotta make another video! You're probably wondering what's behind me.
Remember that old Tacoma that Handy Dan used to drive? It's gone!
Now, I drive this 2003.
These tires are much too small and ugly. So instead, we're gonna put on some 33s. Okay, so we just gotta loosen the lug nuts first.
But my lug nuts have a special lock nut. And that just slides right over top of...
Like Zoink Scoop!
Well, I forgot the special socket key at home. So, I gotta go see Blano. Here's a good idea. I'm gonna loosen off all the other lug nuts except for the key, so that way all we have to do is loosen the key. We got it. I got it. Now, I take off that last lug nut.
Whoa! Nice.
These tires are pretty big, but... Oh! Well, these tires... Now that's big. Wow. That's deeper dish than Little Caesar's deeper disher pizza.
I wonder if it rubs. Yep. She rubbed. Looks like you got about this much turning. She rubbed.
Well, I need a lift kit to fit these tires, so I have to put the old ones back on.
Well, this was a fail because Handy Dan's stupid truck isn't tall enough. So, we're just gonna go pick up the boat that we got and we're gonna tow it to our good friend, what's his name? Grease Monkey Boy. We're gonna tow it to Grease Monkey Boy's house.
Grease Monkey Boy, here again.
Guys, we got the gang back together again. You know what that means?
We're coming after you. We're gonna solve that mysteries.
Well, too bad about these tires. This canopy's pretty ugly, so we're gonna take it off.
Like this. Wow! Look at that!
That's a car that we haven't introduced yet. It's secret. Shh. It's for a future episode. So we gotta move this boat out of the way because the neighbors don't like it and it's winter time.
But we have to pump up that tire.
It's all hooked up, middle of November, we're ready to hit the lake. Look how tiny his truck is compared to this massive one back there. Small little truck for a small little man.
We are here at the drop-off location, aka my parents' place, to drop off the boat. But they don't know yet.
Hey, Reggie. Hey.
Reginald.
Ah. Ah. I can't do it. I'm not strong enough.
We got it.
Alright, go on, take it away. Woo. That's what I call American muscle.
We should put it here.
Yeah, let's put it back there. So, crank it.
He's coming.
We gotta get out of here. I think he's coming. What's he gonna do with that shovel? What's he doing with that shovel?
Okay. I think he's gone. The package has been delivered. Mission accomplished.